Hello, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and help to prepare to the code interview. Today we have a problem number 2265. Count nodes equal to average of subtree. Given the root of a binary tree, return the number of nodes where the value of the node is equal to the average of the values in its subtree. The average of n elements is the sum of the n elements divided by n and rounded down to the nearest integer. A subtree of root is a tree consisting of root and all of its descendants. Let's try to solve it. I try to do it recursive way as usual for binary trees. Let's create some helper function with one parameter is current node. In this function, I will calculate the average sum of subtree and check if it's equals to the node's value and increment it for each node. So we call it recursive. Let's create some variables. To calculate average value, we need to get total count of elements and the total sum of its values. So I will create a variable count. It's equals to 1 because now we count only node itself. And the second variable is total. It's total sum of values in subtree. And by default, it nodes value. Else, we need some variables for answer. For instance, call it ans. And it's 0 by default. As a result, I will return all three variables and answer. Here I will write some code of recursive functions. As a result, I call this function for the root, and I need the answer variable, so the answer variable will return in third parameter, so index 2. Now we need to calculate the average values of subtrees left and right. So if node has not empty left subtree, we get some result of helper function of left subtree and update our variables. So count is result variable at index 0, total at index 1, and answer at index 2. And do the same thing for the right subtree. And the last thing is we need to check if average amount is equal to the current node value. So is node.val equals to total divided by count and increment answer variable. So that's it. It should work. Let's check. Run the tests. Some typo. Test passed. Let's submit it. That's it. It's quite simple. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you tomorrow.